Hello. I seen someone who I hadn't seen in quite a few months anyway. I used to work with her. She's a really nice lady. I seen her and her mom and her sister at a wake last night. Outside the wake. And she said something to me today. She said, I noticed something different about you. And I said, oh yes? What? She said, it's in your eyes. I said, yeah? She said, it's more like you're at peace. And I said, thank you. I am trying. And I have decided that I am unwilling to participate in anything that has taken my peace away previously or ever again. And she said, yeah, you can tell. That was a really, really nice thing that was said to me. She actually noticed. And I am unsure that if she knows how intuitive she is. She is. Anyway, even if you don't notice how far you're going or how far you've come, there are others out there that will notice. And they will tell you that they notice. And how good it is to see that in you. She really lightened my heart today. So I'm going to say, Donna,